One step closer to the death penalty. Tomorrow morning, prosecutors in the theater shooting will begin presenting their final witnesses in the third phase of the sentencing hearing. Jurors reaching a decision in phase 2 of the hearing today, saying they do not believe mitigating factors presented by defense lawyers outweigh the aggravating factors they heard from the prosecution. We have team coverage of today's decision. 7 News reporter Marshall Zellinger at the courthouse for the announcement. But we start with 7 News investigator Teresa Marchetta, who spoke to survivors and family members of those killed. Teresa?
Well, Eric, for the theater shooting survivors and the victims' family members who had the strength to come talk with us today, they commended the jury for their swift decision to take this trial into the next phase of sentencing. But make no mistake, there was no celebration here today. This has been a very long and painful 3 years for these families. Josh Nolan, one of the survivors, telling us that this decision today just gets him one step closer to moving on with his life.
I believe that the death penalty phase is the proper penalty for this, and that's a very hard decision to be able to make. I'm a very religious person, and I don't wish death on any person. So even if the jury decides to do life imprisonment or the death penalty phase, I believe I'll be happy with either decision, either way.
We're very happy that the outcome came as quickly as it did, and that the jurors are taking this process as seriously as they are.
Hopefully we'll never have to see or hear from him again.
That would be nice.
And Jessica Gowie's mom, Sandy Phillips, saying that she has been asked by District Attorney George Brockler to give a victim impact statement in this next phase of the sentencing. She says that this is an overwhelming task for her, but she knows it's her job to share her daughter Jessie with the jury and help them ultimately make that decision. Live outside the Arapahoe County Courthouse, I'm 7 News investigator Teresa Marchetta.
Certainly some more emotional testimony coming. All right, thanks a lot, Teresa. And we can